Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious banana bread that's vegan and gluten-free, and it's so moist and just tastes so good. Let's start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To a small bowl, add in 5 tablespoons of warm water and 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. Now go ahead and just mix that right up with a fork or a knife and make sure it's fully blended together and just set it aside. Now to a large bowl, add in 2 cups of gluten-free flour of your choice. Add in 4 ripe bananas. Then add in a half cup of coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 full teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a half cup of dairy-free vegan chocolate chips, a 1/4 cup of avocado oil. Then add in your flaxseed mixture right into that bowl, and then go ahead and start mixing it on a low speed and keep mixing it until it's fully combined together. For this next part, you'll need an 8x4 loaf pan. And make sure you grab a paper towel and dab some oil on it just a little bit and wipe the whole thing out so none of your bread will stick, just as I'm doing right here. And then start pouring your batter into the pan. You could fill it all the way up because there's no baking powder in this recipe and it won't rise up like a crazy amount. But go right ahead and start filling up your pan and dividing your batter. If you are making multiple, go for it. But I am just going to fill this up like this. Now go ahead, put it right into your oven and set a timer for 55 minutes. You can keep checking on it by piercing a fork through it. If the batter's still on the fork, then it's obviously not done, and just keep putting it back in for a few minutes. But this time is perfect if you have an 8x4 loaf pan. Now after that's done, pull it out and feel the top of it and take a good smell, because the top is firm. It just smells delicious. Go ahead and let that cool down, and then after it's cooled down, pop it out of your pan and go ahead and cut it up and serve it to your family. It's super soft and moist. You'll give it to someone and they don't even know that it's vegan and gluten-free. It's that delicious. Any questions? Feel free to ask me on the Facebook page or Instagram, and I'll be so happy to answer any questions.